Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Bhai. As we have seen till page number 49, Sanskrit in Bhasha Sajita. Now page number 50, you see Hastasya Bhushanam Danam Satyam Kantasya Bhushanam. The ornaments of hand, that is donation, dan. Satyam Kantasya Bhushanam. Truth is the ornament of thought. Strotasya Bhushanam Shastram. Strot, you know, is the ornament of holy books. Bhushanam Kim Prayojanam. What is the meaning of other ornaments? Donation is the ornaments of hand. Truth is the ornament of thought. And Strot, mantras, is the ornament of holy books. What is the meaning or why we need, or what is the meaning of other ornaments? Next, Munde Munde Mati Bina Kunde Kunde Nav Jalam. As you know, person wise, knowledge different, intelligence different. Kunde Kunde Nav Jalam, and new water at every pot. Deshe Deshe Navachara Nava Vani Mukhe Mukhe. New particular words. And Deshe Deshe, in every country, we must think Deshe Deshe Navachara Nava Vani Mukhe Mukhe, and new words in each and every person's mouth. Sambodhanam, see, Gange cha Yamune cha Godavari Saraswati. The name of the holy rivers is being explained here. Ganga, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmade, Sindhu, Kaveri, Prasanna, Bhau, Saroda. Always be happy. The holy rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmada, Sindhu, Kaveri, always be pleased so that people live happily. No need of learning case by heart, but they can be memorized by using them gradually, step by step. When you start using it, you remember it. See, find the nouns, verb forms, the following sentence. See, Gantri, Gachti. Gantri, I have to find the nouns. Gachti is verb, Gantri is noun. Surya, Tapti. Tapti is verb, Surya is noun. See, Shishu, Khalti. Shishu is noun, Khalti is verb. Hansaha, Tarti. Hans is noun, Tarti is verb. Gajaha, Chalti. Gaja is noun, Chalti is verb. First word given, that all are nouns, and second given, that is verb. In above short sentences, only two terms are seen in them. Gantri, Surya, Shishuhu are noun, and Gatti, Tapti, Khelti, Tarti, and Chalti are verbs. You see, very easy to find it out. See, now see on new page, page number 51. Verb. See, the word which indicate action is a verb. The word which indicate action is a verb. आइए अब निम्नलिखित वाक्यों में से क्रियापद खोजिए और अर्थ बताइए. सी, have to find out the verb here and so its meaning. First we have seen that is noun. Now verb, and verb as you know definition given. The word which indicate action is a verb. Action of playing, action of writing, action of speaking, action of eating, action of going, action of coming, action of speaking, drawing, taking, drinking. These are called verb. Aham namami. Aham is subject, namami is verb. Tvam namsi. Tvam is subject, namsi is verb. Nupaha namti. Nupa subject, namti verb. See, so namami, namsi, and namti are verbs here. The verb in above three sentences indicate the action of bowing. Namami means bowing. In the aham is in the first sentence, you see, in the first sentence, aham is the subject doer of the verb. In the second sentence, the subject doer of the verb, that is tvam, it is in second person. In the third sentence, subject doer of the word nup is in third person. Verb form is changed according to the person, isn't it? Now you know the above all the sentences are in singular. First person, second person and third person, all singular. See, me, first person singular sign, see, second person singular and the third person singular sign. That means first, second and third person singular, all forms given here. Now see person and number. In Gujarati there are three persons, first, second and third, and two numbers, singular and plural. As you know, one then singular, two or more than two then plural. But in Sanskrit there are three numbers formed, singular, dual and plural. Three numbers. One then singular, two then dual and three or more than three then plural. Now see conjugation of the root word. Origin of the word is called root. Main word that is called root. For example, namami, namsi and namti are three forms, but the root of verb of all the three is nama. There are main two types of the roots, parasmaipad and atmanepad. The root which take the inflection of parasmaipad is called the parasmaipad root, and the root which take the inflection of atmanepad is called atmanepad root. Two types, as you know. In Sanskrit grammar there are first conjugation, second conjugation, third conjugation, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That conjugation means gan. Conjugation or classes are formed. It is called gan. 1 to 10 gan, that means conjugation. Or classes are formed. Each conjugation has its special inflection, pronunciation, which is called Vikran inflection. It is called Vikran inflection. The verb of different conjugation are recognized and separated with its help. We should realize that these particular words are used for it and we must take into consideration. So it is called that particular verb which we have to observe, which we have to see. Now see next page number 52. For example, the conjugation sign of first conjugation is a, that is fourth or one is ya, that of sixth one is a, and that of the 10th one is aya. This sign we have to keep in mind. The root of parasmaipad is specially used in our textbook, so let us start studying affix of parasmaipad. See, present tense parasmaipad inflection, you see the table. Mi, vaha, maha, si, ta, ta, ti, taha, anti. First person singular, dual and plural. Second person singular, dual, plural, and third person singular, dual and plural. See, adding the above inflection, present tense form of verb are framed. Read them and give them form of other verbs. See, note, to prepare the forms of root verb, first Vikran pratyay is added and then tense inflection added. For example, nama is the parasmaipad plus adding a sign is there, and ti third person singular, that is why namti, that is called the first conjugation verb. See, namami, namavaha and namamaha. Namami, namavah, namamah. I bow down, we two bow down, we all bow down. Namsi, namatah, namata. You one bow down, you two bow down, you all bow down. Namati, he or she bows down. Namataha, they two bow down, and namanti, they all bow down. Like this, that. Right form of other words are mentioned above, like pot and chal, that you have to make yourself. Part 1 over here, bringing this end of this lecture. Remaining we will see in next lecture. Okay, see you, thank you, bye.